This is because of unemployment, underemployment and poverty. See, actually tribal people are affected by many things. One is if they are displaced, then they are losing loss of livelihood, loss of common property resources also in case of displacement, isn't it? In such cases, even they may migrate to other places, and when they migrate to other places, they may not get a suitable employment. Even because of loss of common property resources, now they have to purchase everything, and also because of lack of suitable employment, all these will decrease the earning capability of individuals, and then they cannot run their families. The family becomes unstable, isn't it? Please take down. Nearly 58% of tribal population are under below poverty line. A major tribal population under below poverty line are in Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal, UP and Bihar. The reasons for poverty are multifold. It may be due to number 1, displacement from their original habitations. Number 2, rehabilitation and resettlement elsewhere, which results in loss of common property resources. Here in brackets you can write, this results in purchasing of food, water, grass for animals, etc. Earlier all these are free. Earlier all these are free of cost. Yes or no? So now they have to spend money. Even drinking water is costly enough, no? The monthly income, if you see, maybe you would have spent at least 1,000 rupees. For them it is quite high. Food is very expensive. Yes or no? So even for cattle, they can't go and let the cattle feed in others' land, because no one will allow in their land. No, even if it is a waste patch of land where no cultivation is happening, still people will not allow. Yes or no? If they bring, what they will do? They will make sure they are not in their field. Yes or no? There are fencing. Even if fencing is not there, people take it very seriously. I don't know whether yes or no. So now they have to pay money for that, isn't it? So one is displacement, and second one is when they are rehabilitated elsewhere. What is happening? They are losing common property resources. And while rehabilitating and resettling them somewhere, giving them common property resources also is one of the challenges that government will be facing. You getting my point?
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijetha IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.